I think you want to form an LLC. That makes sense. It's the best operating agreement with no liability. That's cool. When you form your LLC, you're going to have rights and privileges to do things and be protected. Now, you're going to appoint at least 2 people to be members. And the reason you have 2 is if it's a single member LLC, you'll be taxed as an individual. And the whole taxation where you have to pay income tax on that and self-employment tax is something you don't want. So your kid, your significant others, somebody needs to be on there. Whether they get any of the money of it is a whole different issue. They need to have 2 active governors, like they say in Washington, or maybe it's just managing members. You need 2. And you'll form that entity and you'll get a certificate that says a certificate of formation or articles of incorporation or whatever they call it in that state. But most states call it a certificate of formation for an LLC. Articles of incorporation are for corporations. Okay? Now, you're going to take a name reservation and apply that to it. And there's a whole other video about how to do name reservation. But you take that to your lawyer or you give it to people like mycorporation.com, who I use, and they can create the entity for you. They'll charge you a nominal fee and a couple $100, and they'll give you everything you need. And if you want to, if you're going to do one out of state, they can be your resident agent and charge you a fee annually. Is that cool? That's not that tough to do. You're going to get that, but then you're going to have the operating agreement. That's a separate whole document that says who does what, who has the powers, who are how many people have to get, is a majority vote, or what's going on. All those things are operating issues. And I talk in another video about having minutes and notes to operate your business as a business, to protect you and to make articles of resolutions to buy, sell, or manage properties. That's what it's all about, to have an LLC and operate it like a business. Take care.